Katelyn,
Yeah?
Christmas is coming. I haven't made anything.
You have not made anything?
No, I've not made anything.
We can make a fruit cake.
I don't know how to make a fruit cake.
I know, let me teach you. Come on.
Let's go.
Today we're making a fruit cake.
But don't you need all the soaked dry fruits for the fruit cake? Where did you get this from?
I stole it from Nana.
Don't tell Nana, okay? You look like an alien.
Whisk, whisk, whisk. Let's put this to bake.
The oven is not working.
You're telling me now?
What can we do now?
Don't worry, I'll teach you. We make it in a Stahl Versatil Cooker. See, Uncle Nehal, how easy this is.
Whoa, that's really cool. Why do you need to add salt?
I don't know. I saw it on YouTube. Cook this for 25 minutes without the whistle. Let's reveal the cake.
Wow.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Yummy.
So Merry Christmas everyone. Make sure you try out this amazing fruit cake made by Katelyn. Do check out the products by Stahl. Now we're gonna eat this cake. So yes, we'll see you later guys. Let's go.